Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to introduce the interface of HiTeach 5. This is what HiTeach looks like when you open it. There are 5 areas. At the top is where you can see the lesson information, including where you can start and end your lesson, your class duration, current page and total pages of your presentation, your team model account information, QR code for scanning, class number and pin number, and internet connection stability. Over here is the teaching resource area. You can import your teaching resource or material from IES or your local drive into HiTeach. The second icon is the page list of your presentation. And at the bottom, this icon allows you to switch the toolbars. Click again and switch it back. Over here is the teaching tools area. All the common tools are here, including pen, eraser, geometric shapes, and interactive tools. In the middle is the display area. The PPT or other files you imported will be displayed here. At the bottom is the data interaction area. When you start any interactive activity, for example, I start a pop quiz. An interaction toolbar will appear. You can see all kinds of data like students' answers and different statistical charts here. The above is the introduction of the interface of HiTeach 5.